4.9 El Niño y la Niña. Global ocean surface currents. Gyres are large ocean circle patterns due to global wind, clockwise in northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in southern hemisphere. East to west trade winds between 0 to 30 degrees push equator current to east to west. Westerlies between 30 to 60 degrees push mid-latitude currents west to east. Upwelling zones. Areas of ocean where winds blow warm surface waters away from a landmass, drawing up colder, deeper water to replace it. It brings H2 and nutrients to surface, which causes productive fishing. Thermohaline circulation. It connects all of the world's oceans, mixing salt, nutrients, and temperature throughout. Warm water from Gulf of Mexico moves towards the North Pole, cools and evaporates as it moves towards poles. Saltier and colder water at poles is more dense, making it sink. Spreads along the ocean floor, and it rises back up into shallow, warm ocean currents at upwelling zones. So this is kind of how the ocean moves, the temperatures, and how it goes around the different oceans around the world, and how this is the warm water and this is the cold water. El Niño Southern Oscillation. ENSO is the pattern of shifting atmospheric pressure and ocean currents in the Pacific Ocean between South America and Australia/Southeast Asia. Oscillates or shifts is regularly from El Niño, warmer and rainier, to La Niña, which is cooler and drier conditions along coast of South America. In a normal year, trade winds blow equator water the east to the west. Cool H2O upwelled off coast to South America, which is cool temperature plus good fisheries. Warm equator currents brings heat and precipitation to Australia and Southeast Asia. High pressure in East Pacific, Australia and Southeast Asia. In El Niño, trade winds weaken, then reverse. Warm equator currents bring heat and precipitation to America, north and south. Suppressed upwelling off South America coast, damaging fisheries. Cooler, drier conditions in Australia and Southeast Asia. Higher pressure in West Pacific, Australia and Southeast Asia, and lower pressure in East Pacific, South America. In La Niña, stronger than normal trade winds, and it increased upwelling of South America coast brings cooler than normal conditions.